Good morning, students. Today we will start atmosphere pressure and winds. Atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted on the surface of the earth by weight of air which is maximum at sea level. Atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted on the earth surface by the weight of air which is maximum at the sea level. Factors affecting atmospheric pressure. There are two major factors which influence the atmospheric pressure of an air: temperature, altitude. Air rises upwards when it gets heated and sinks down when it gets cooled down. These movements of air cause low pressure and higher pressure respectively. Rising air exerts little pressure while cool air sinks down exerting more pressure. The second is the altitude. We have studied that the air becomes thinner and lesser as one goes upwards in the atmosphere. This means that the pressure also decreases with an increase in altitude. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर हाइट पे जाएंगे तो इसका मतलब ऊपर चलते जाएंगे, प्रेशर भी डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. प्रेशर आल्सो डिक्रीज विद एन इंक्रीज इन अल्टीट्यूड. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर बढ़ेंगे प्रेशर डिक्रीज होगा. द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज फॉर मेजरिंग एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड बैरोमीटर एंड इट इज मेजर्ड इन यूनिट्स कॉल्ड मिलीबार्स. अब आपको जो है इसे जो है मिलीबार्स में नापते हैं. जो एक आप देखेंगे कि एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, इसे कहते हैं बैरोमीटर. Now pressure bands. Rising warm air in certain region and sinking cold air in the other region produce alternating high pressure and low pressure band on the surface of the earth. अब आपने देखा होगा कि अर्थ में कहीं तो गर्म एयर चलती है, कहीं ठंडी चलती है. तो इससे क्या होता है, ये हाई प्रेशर और लो प्रेशर की वजह से जो है बेल्ट्स बनती हैं ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. These pressure bands are not permanent. ये pressure bands permanent नहीं होती है and keep shifting north and south with movements of the sun by 10 degree. अब equatorial low pressure bands. Equatorial low pressure bands cover the area around the equator extending from 5 degree north to 5 degree south. Being the torrid zone, this area receives maximum sunlight, thereby heating up the air. It is also referred to as doldrums. इन्हें हम doldrums भी कहते हैं. Subtropical high pressure belt. The air that rises upward from the equatorial low pressure belt sinks down, leading to the increase in atmospheric pressure around 30 degree north and 30 degree south beyond the tropics. ये जो है सब ट्रॉपिकल जो हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट होती हैं, ये जो है 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ और 30 डिग्री साउथ तक फैल होती है. देयर इज नो सरफेस मूवमेंट्स ऑफ विंड इन दिस बेल्ट. इसमें जो है सरफेस मूवमेंट भी होती है और इसे एंड इट इज आल्सो नोन एज हॉर्स लैटिट्यूड्स. इसे हॉर्स लैटिट्यूड्स भी कहा जाता है. अब है सब पोलर लो प्रेशर बेल्ट्स. द रीजन्स अराउंड 60 डिग्री नॉर्थ एंड 60 डिग्री साउथ लैटिट्यूड कॉरस्पॉन्ड टू द सब पोलर बार subpolar low pressure belts. In this belt, cold winds from the polar region beat the warm winds from the tropical region. Now, subpolar high pressure belts. Polar high pressure belts persist at the poles throughout the year because of the prevalence of very low temperature all around the year. यहाँ पर पूरे साल में ठंड रहती है, तो यहाँ का जो प्रेशर जो टेम्परेचर होता है बहुत ही लो होता है. तो there is a thinning out of layers or air due to the diurnal rotation of the diurnal rotation of the layer earth as the air speed outwards due to this factor, but this effect is overshadowed by thermal factors, and hence high pressure is produced due to very low temperatures. Now next is the planetary winds. We have studied that wind flows from high pressure to low pressure area. Wind can be defined as moving air. When it blows, the rotation of earth affects its direction and it gets deflected from its direct path of flow. The effect is known as Coriolis effect and is explained through Farrell's law. According to Farrell's law, wind and water get deflected to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. अब फेरल लॉ के अनुसार जो विंड और वाटर है वो डिफ्लेक्टेड होते हैं नॉर्थ राइट इन द नॉर्थ, यानी कि नॉर्थ में राइट की तरफ को और साउथ में क्या होता है ये किसकी तरफ लेफ्ट की तरफ को इन द साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. तो 3 permanent wind system blow on the surface of the earth. They blow from high pressure belt to low pressure belts all around the earth. They blow in fixed direction. They are trade winds, westerlies and the polar winds. Now periodic winds. Periodic winds change their direction periodically with the change in season. For example, monsoon winds in India. These winds are caused mainly by the unequal heating and cooling of land and water. We have learned that the land gets heated up faster than water, leading to relatively higher temperature and lower pressure on land. These winds are also known as seasonal winds. अब जो periodical winds होती हैं, इन्हें हम seasonal winds भी कहते हैं. Local winds are winds that blow only for a short period of time and over a specific area. They have different names in different parts of the world. Loo. During summer in India, hot and dry winds blow from the Thar desert in Rajasthan across the Ganga plain. They are known as loo and they cause heat waves raising the temperature significantly. Chinook winds are often known as snow eater. Chinook winds इन्हें जो है स्नो ईटर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. These are local winds that blow down in the eastern slopes of the Rocky Mountain in the USA. ये जो है USA में जो है बहती हैं. They warm up the region and help in melting the winter snow and ice. Our fluid. In Europe during winter, wind blows on the leeward southern flanks of the Alps. They also have warming effect, thereby helping in the ripening of grapes in this region. That's all about this chapter. The students do reading and try to fill your homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.